Welcome to the Valentine's Day edition of the Lazy Loaf. Today we are making our heart-shaped sourdough, a little smiley face. This is straight out of the fridge after fermenting for its last 12 hours overnight. Nice dusting of all-purpose flour. Some people use rice flour. All-purpose works good for me. All right, so right here I'm gonna trace out my heart just using a toothpick. Get it nice and evenly on the loaf. Then I'm making a score, just light outside slashes, I guess you call it, on the heart, and then I'm gonna do that pattern all the way around on the other side, kind of giving it that like vine look, I guess you call it, and the same thing on the other side. Right here, I'm going to come through some deep scores on the loaf. This is the part of the loaf that I want to rise up and give me that nice ear so the heart can pop out. Going deep on both sides. Oh, geez. Excuse my dog. Rosie, shh. Quiet down. Now I'm going to pop it into the... Oh, my bad. Nice and easy. I'm going to pop it into the Dutch oven. It's going to go into the oven at 450 for 45 minutes. Here it is, the lid off after 20. And here it is after the 45th minute. Nice and crispy. Nice little heart. If you like sourdough, like my channel, go ahead, like, subscribe for more.